my fellow subscribers around the world, fellow farmers, you just want to try out, just like I'll keep telling us in my videos, you just want to go into farming, you don't know which of the farmings you want to go, you have a piece of land, you don't have a piece of land, you just want to go into farming, there is something you can do, there is something you can really do. But there is, in this video, I want to tell us something that is very important that most people will not tell you. But from my own findings, I come as much as I can to educate us. I'm more of an educationist, in agriculture. You don't understand. So what is there is, if you look at behind me, you will see that this is my palm farm. Like all the way up here, my cocoa farm, they are there. There are so many things. Now this is my palm farm. Now there is one thing I want to tell us. Now listen. Cocoa farming or palm farming is a very good one. Going into palm farming is very good. You understand? This is like a lifetime investment. Oil palm farming is like a lifetime investment. But there is always a but. And what is that but? Now in another video we are going to look at the differences or the usefulness of these other palms and then with other crops. Now why I'm putting but is this. Please this video, you need to watch this video to the end so that you will really know what I'm going to be saying in this video. Now before we continue, what we are going to be saying is, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel for the first time, please, my name is Emeka and you're watching Emeka and Josie Agri. And please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please, what you do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. Back to what we are saying. The thing is, going into palm farming is wisdom, but you need to understand. Somebody met me and was saying, as I need to plant acres, and I said no. I said okay, fine, you want to plant palms, okay, it's okay, but there are some lies or there are some things they will never tell you. Yes, but I'm going to let me tell us. Please, if you want to go into palm farming, you have to do something for yourself, for me, and so that you don't have regret. Which is, if you have a big acres of land, 3 plot, 6 plot, as the case may be, please diversify. In short, divide the land. Use 2 for oil palm, and then use the other 2 for food crops. You understand? Please. Somebody might want to say, sir, what are you trying to say? Okay, say why? Okay, let me explain. Now, when a farm that is incorporated, a farm that has only palms in it, a big acres of land having palms in it, no other food crops will do well inside that farm. Go and check. You might say, sir, this thing is not true. Go and check. You can check. And then if I am wrong, come back to this video and say, sir, you are wrong. You don't understand? What you need to do is, if you have a big farm, separate a farm, use one part for oil palms, and then the other part for food production, like for food cropping, like crops for food. Because the rate at which people are going into oil palm is a good one. But give it 5, 10, 15, let's say 5 years from now, food will be so scarce because the land that is having palms in it, no other crops will do well for there. There's no other crops that will do well in a palm farm. You know, I don't like my videos to be too long so that it will not be too cumbersome for some people, But the truth, I need to tell you the truth. I need to tell you the truth, which they will not tell you. You don't understand? So what you need to understand in this business is this. You have a piece of land, 1 acre, divide it, use one side, some plot for crops like for food, cassava, plantain, yam, all those things like that. Yeah, corn, whatsoever. Then use the other one, just plant, because anything you plant inside a farm that is a palm farm, it does not grow well. So if you have watched this video to this extent, and then this is the first time, just like I will often say, this is the first time you're seeing my face. You might not like my face. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one you're watching right now. And if you want to know more about what we have been saying or what we have been doing ever since, please, I'm available. Hit in the comment section, sir, I am interested. I'll drop my WhatsApp number and then communicate. You don't understand? I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay productive, stay active, and start farming. Stop playing. Bye.